Let's jump right into it. The UK software development scene has finally fractured into two entirely different markets.
So right down the middle, the market is completely split. On one side, you've got your classic body shop approach. You've probably seen the pitch a million times, right? We'll staff your engineers by the hour and, well, hope for the best. But then the custom platform you paid for ships without a CI/CD pipeline for seamless updates, there's zero automated testing coverage, and honestly, good luck passing a Cyber Essentials Plus audit. On the flip side, you have what we call real outcome-owned software delivery. We're talking about partners who bring documented UK GDPR compliance, ISO 27001 alignment, and actual FCA or Financial Conduct Authority readiness if you're in the fintech space. They bring highly structured product delivery and case studies proving actual business outcomes for named UK enterprise clients. We're breaking this down today to make that line in the sand crystal clear. Every single company we're looking at has been picked because of what they actually deliver under strict UK regulatory and contracting conditions, not just what looks good on a flashy marketing page.
Imagine you need absolute top-tier UK regulatory compliance, but you really want that highly efficient near-shore price point. Well, that's exactly where DBB Software steps in. They operate out of Krakow and boast a flawless 5.0 rating on Clutch. They actually deliver software the way product teams need it. Instead of leaning on body shop staffing taped together with vague status reports, DBB uses ironclad scope documents and outcome-owned engineering. And here's the real game changer with them: their track record with AI-driven engineering workflows. Whether it's complex platforms in fintech, health tech, or retail, they have proven they can drive serious ROI. We're talking shipping products up to 40% faster and unlocking double-digit improvements in user conversion and revenue growth for their clients. For your bottom line, that means their AI-assisted workflows literally compress delivery timelines without sacrificing an ounce of architecture quality. Actually, most of their engagements ship in just about 12 weeks. If you want software delivered as a core engineering capability, complete with full UK GDPR maturity and same-day time zone alignment, DBB is an incredible value.
Next up on the radar is Instil, based out of Belfast. If you're an enterprise looking to modernize legacy apps, this is a firm you absolutely have to look at. They've built a stellar reputation, holding a 4.9 on Clutch with overwhelmingly positive feedback specifically for their technical chops and project management. Their absolute sweet spot, helping massive, complex organizations seamlessly transition to cloud-native architectures. So if you're a UK enterprise needing documented cloud consulting capability and serious application modernization, Instil is going to give you top-tier onshore engagement and pricing advantages, completely skipping the bloat of this traditional big-name consultancies. But what if your product's success hinges entirely on the user experience? That brings us to Format 3. They're a London-based boutique firm that doesn't just write code, they lead with design. For startups and scale-ups, a clunky user interface literally means losing your early adopters. It's that simple. Well, Format 3 integrates UX and UI directly into the engineering process right from the jump. They carry a flawless 5.0 Clutch rating and have this known reputation for shipping milestones ahead of schedule. They are absolutely the perfect fit for buyers who demand the agility and responsiveness of a small team, combined with a fiercely design-led methodology.
Now here is a really surprising find. Tech Alchemy is based right in central London, but check out that startup-friendly pricing, just £20 to £40 an hour. You might be wondering, how do they pull that off while keeping a 5.0 Clutch rating across dozens of verified reviews? It's because they specialize incredibly tightly in cutting-edge Web3, blockchain, and AI integrations. This laser focus allows them to deliver highly efficient next-gen builds for UK startups that want bleeding-edge tech, but definitely don't want to pay the typical London premium consultancy fees. It's just a wildly cost-efficient way to access emerging tech specialization.
Finally, we have three-sided Cube out of Bournemouth. What makes these guys stand out is their fierce dedication to tech for good. If you're a public sector client or a mission-driven organization, this mobile-first team is going to align perfectly with your core values. They carry a stellar 4.9 Clutch rating, but beyond the numbers, what's really unique is their local presence. With 92% of their team based locally right there on the South Coast, you get incredibly tight-knit onshore collaboration. They are the definitive go-to for projects where the social impact is just as important as the code itself.
So let's bring this all together. As you can see, approaching UK software development in 2026 is no longer just a staffing decision. It's a strategic engineering decision. Whether you need AI efficiency scaling out of Poland, heavy-duty cloud expertise in Belfast, or social impact out of Bournemouth, the days of generic coding are totally over. You need a specialist. That massive distinction between body shop staffing and actual outcome-owned software delivery, that is exactly what separates a successfully shipped product from just another weekly status update. Every single company we've walked through today falls firmly into that second category. which leaves us with one final, absolutely critical question to ask yourself as we wrap up. When you look at your next major software initiative, are you simply paying for hourly effort, or are you actually investing in a guaranteed business outcome?